I'm Anil Kumar, and now let us practice rounding numbers. We'll round the numbers to nearest 10. Here are a bunch of numbers. I would like you to pause the video, copy these numbers, round them to nearest 10, and then check with my solution. That will be great. Now let's see how to round them. Rounding to nearest 10 means you should check for which place? Check for ones place, right? Ones place. So ones places, let me mark. This is on the ones place, this is ones place, this is ones place, this is ones place, these are ones place. The rightmost is the ones place, correct? That is tens, right? So these are ones places. Let me just mark all these ones places, correct? So check ones place. Now the ones place could be 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, or it could be 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Now if it is from 0 to 4, then you have to round lower. Is that okay? And if it is between 5 to 9, then you have to round higher. That is to say, after rounding, the number increases if ones place is 5 or more, and the number decreases if ones place is 4 or less than 5. Correct. So let's see what does it really mean. Let's begin with 12. Ones place we have 2. 2 is in the first group, so the number should be rounded lower. Lower means what? Well, 12 is kind of close to 10 or 20. So these are the two numbers which we can round 12 to. Lower means the lower number. 10. 12 rounds to 10. That's the lower number, right? Lower means the number 10 here, right? So 12 rounds to 10. We say 12 is closer to 10 rather than 20. You get the idea, right? Let's look at 34. 4 is less than 5, so this should be rounded lower. Means 30, not 40. So we'll round it to 30. 5. This is interesting. 5 is actually in the higher group, so it rounds higher. So what are the two numbers which are tens closer to 5? They are 0 and 10. Do you see that? So 5 is rounded to the number 10. How about 11? 11 could be rounded to 10 or 20. Since 1 is in the first group, it is less than 5. We round it to 10. 3. That is interesting. 3, it will be lower. But what is lower than 3? Well, it could be 0 or 10 as we did in this case. Since 3 is lower than 5, it rounds to lower number which is 0. So on rounding, you can also get zeros. You get the idea, right? Now 77, 7 is 5 or more, so it rounds higher. So we should get 80 here. 54, 4 is lower, so lower 50 is the lower number, so it rounds to 50. 60, that is 0, just the lowest one, which is 60 itself. In this particular case, you see there is no change, right? No change in this case. All of the number will increase or decrease. 83, since 3 is lower than 5, it rounds to 80. 95, 5 or more, higher than 90 is 100. 129, 9 is higher than 4. It is in this group of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So higher 129, higher is 130. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 4 is lower than 5 and therefore it is rounded to 12, 30. That is how you round. I hope the concept is clear. Thank you and all the best.